Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Now I am here with rapid fire question 23. And today's question is why lactose and maltose are reducing sugar but sucrose is not. And this is the rapid fire question series for PhD entrance exams and interviews. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So let's talk about reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar. So any carbohydrate that can reduce some other substances is reducing sugar, and any carbohydrate that cannot reduce some other substances is non-reducing sugar. Sugars which possess free aldehyde or ketone group are reducing, whereas sugars which do not possess free aldehyde or ketone groups are non-reducing. All monosaccharides are reducing sugars. So here we will see two examples. One is D-glucose, another is D-fructose. So in case of D-glucose, we can see this is the aldehyde group, right? This is the aldehyde group and this group is free here. In case of D-fructose, we can see CO is the free ketone group. This is also free group. Therefore, they can reduce others because of these two free aldehyde and ketone groups. And because of that free group, all monosaccharides are reducing sugars because all monosaccharides have free aldehyde or free ketone group. When two monosaccharides fuse together, a disaccharide forms. So, in case of maltose, it is made up of two alpha glucose units. Two alpha glucose units are linked by the alpha 1,4 linkage. So, in case of maltose, free aldehyde is formed by opening the ring. So, if you open this ring, you will get this thing where this is the free aldehyde group, and because of this free aldehyde group, maltose is reducing sugar. So if you open this ring, this aldehyde group will become free and can reduce other. Same thing happens in lactose. Lactose is made up of one beta galactose and one beta glucose units. They are joined by beta 1,4 linkage. Same thing happens here. If you open the ring, you will get the free aldehyde group here. Because of this, lactose is also reducing. Now, in case of sucrose, sucrose is made up of alpha glucose and beta fructose unit. They are joined by 1,2 linkage. So, in case of sucrose, free aldehyde or ketone are not formed by ring opening. Hence, it acts as non-reducing sugar. Because in this case, the aldehyde group, I will erase this thing. Yeah, it will be better to understand. Now, here, this is the aldehyde group of this alpha glucose and the keto group of beta fructose. They participate in formation of this bond. That bond joins these two monosaccharides. So, the aldehyde group of alpha glucose and keto group of beta fructose will never be free. Therefore, they are non-reducing sugar.